So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be going through the 6 brand new Lush body sprays that they are releasing in August. Honestly, you guys are not ready for this collection because all of these sound like they're going to smell incredible. I feel like I need them all. I don't know which one is my favorite. I need you guys to help me. Which one do I pick up? Because they all sound amazing and I'm going to need a bit of why can I not speak English? Persuading on which one to pick up. So I'd love for you guys to help me out down below in the comments. But yes, let's dive in. I'm not going to hold you guys off anymore. Let's go through all the new Lush body sprays. Let's go. So as always, I get all of my information from lush.sense on Instagram, so that is where all the photos etc is coming from. And in terms of like release dates and stuff, so it is supposedly that they're going to be released on the 1st of August in UK, Ireland, and I think some European stores as well. And then I think it's also going to be online and in store from the 1st and the 5th of August, I think, depending on where you're kind of from and things like that. Basically, from the 1st and the 5th of August, check your online stores because I'm not too sure where it's going to be released at what time, but I think it's going to be around that time. Let's just dive in. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first one we have is the Grape Soda body spray. This one has me screaming, crying, throwing up kind of vibes. Honestly, I absolutely just know I'm gonna love this one. This one is Vampire Kisses and Big Squeeze scented, which is juniper berry and sweet wild orange. I think we did have a bath bomb. It might have been for Valentine's Day that smelled like grape and it was absolutely delicious. If it smells like that, someone's gonna have to stop me buying 12 because I absolutely loved that one. And in terms of pricing, this one is going to be £25 or €30. That is the first one. Honestly, I feel like this one is going to be a really sort of popular one that you don't expect to love. I'm just gonna love it. I'm gonna eat it up. Might just drink the bottle of it. Let's move on to the next one. So the next fragrance we have is the Passion body spray. This one is Passion Fruit Delight scented, which is the same as the Passion Fruit shower gel, which is passion fruit, boot chew, litsi cubea and sweet wild orange. This one in particular makes my mouth salivate thinking about it. I think it's going to be so delicious. I really loved the passion fruit. I think it is the Passion Fruit Delight, that like marshmallowy thing. I absolutely loved that one. So if it smells like that, I know I'm going to love it. And again, this one is £25 and €30. So it's going to be kind of a similar price, I think, on each of these. So that's really good. At least they're all kind of similar. But yeah, this one again, I'm going to absolutely love it. And between this one and the first one, I'm still stuck between which is my favourite. So I'd love to know down below, out of all of these 6, which is your favourite, because I'm going to need some help deciding because they all sound amazing. The next one had me actually screaming out loud. We have got, are you guys ready? Space Girl body spray. I am so excited. So this is actually a returning product, which I am absolutely obsessed with because I did not get my hands on it the first time and I really regretted it so much. Am I going to have to buy one? Probably, I'm not gonna lie. This one I'm just so excited about. So obviously this is Space Girl scented, which if you didn't know is bergamot, grapefruit and almond, but to me it smells kind of like those sweets, not Parma Violets, but you know the other ones that are like exactly the same but a different colour? Those ones, it smells like that to me. It's a very kind of like sour, sort of fizzy sweet kind of smell and it is so good. Again, this one is going to retail for £25 or €30 and honestly I just cannot wait to smell this one in person because if it smells anything like the bath bomb, I'm going to have a hard time deciding which one I want to get because that one, it's going to be so good. The next one I think is going to be a really good one for a lot of you guys who missed out on this product because a lot of you guys didn't buy this and I heard a lot of people saying they wish they'd bought it because it just smelled amazing, and that is the Peaches body spray, which used to be called the Princess Peach body spray. So it was released for the Mario Kart range and honestly I loved this fragrance. It was so good, and ingredients in this one, it's things like sweet wild orange, boot chew, litsi cubea, olibanum, that kind of smell. It's a very fruity, mouth-watering smell. It is so good. And again, this one is £25 or €30. To be honest, I don't know whether I would buy this one over things like Space Girl and the grape one and the passion fruit one. I don't think this one is for me as much, but again, it is really, really good, and I don't know if I sort of smelling them in person would change my mind, because it was just absolutely delicious. So I'd love to know down below, did you smell this product when it first came out? And I'd love to know your thoughts on it, because it was actually really good, I'm not gonna lie. The next body spray is one which I can see being an absolute favourite with a lot of you guys, and that is the Sticky Dates body spray. I love Sticky Date shower gel so much. If you guys didn't know, if you're new to my channel, you're watching me for the first time, or you're kind of recent, you will not know that things like Sticky Dates, Yog Nog, like all the foodie kind of smells, absolute fave. I love them so much, so I'm gonna have to buy a bottle of this. I know I said I was gonna try and buy one. I think I might allow myself to, because I feel like I absolutely just must have this one because it's gonna smell amazing. So obviously it's Sticky Date scented, so it's vanilla, dates, sandalwood. It just smells edible. That is the best way I'm gonna be able to describe it to you. It smells like an edible caramel toffee kind of dessert. It is so good. If you like smelling like you could just like bite you, that is what this smells like. So good. And again, this one is also £25 and €30, so yeah, really reasonable compared to the others. Obviously they all cost the same, so it's going to be so hard to decide, but that one just sounds delightful. I've also just noticed that Sticky Dates body spray is a returning product. When did we have that? Can somebody let me know, because I don't think I bought that. Did I? I don't think I bought that. So did I miss out on that last time? Let me know down below. When did Sticky Dates body spray come out? Did it smell as good as I'm imagining it to smell? Let me know down below, because I think I'm gonna have to get one. And lastly is the one which I'm probably least excited about, if I'm gonna be honest, and that is the Lemony Flutter body spray, which again, £25, €30, and it is Lemony Flutter scented, so it's lemon, chamomile, blue, lavender, and another ingredient which I cannot pronounce. So basically it smells like a really beautiful lemon fragrance, and I just don't think for me that's going to be my smell for the summer. Like, I just don't see it kind of being my vibe, if you know what I mean. I love the smell of Lemony Flutter. I think it is such a beautiful fragrance, but I just don't think as a body spray it's going to be up my street, if I'm being honest. But I'd love to know again down below, what do you think of that fragrance? Are you vibing with it? Let me know. So those are the 6 body sprays that are going to be released in August. I would love to know down below, what one are you going to be getting? I need to know. I need advice. Which should I get? Because I'm kind of toying between 4, and I don't want to have to buy 4 because I feel like that is a bit excessive. I feel like I really, really, really want Sticky Dates, and the other 3 I'm kind of tossing between are Space Girl, the passion one, and the grape one. I feel like it's going to be really good, so I might have to go in the store and smell them in person to kind of make my final choice. But I would love to know down below, which are you going to be getting, or if you would get one, which one would you pick up? Because I would love to know, and I need some help because your girl can't decide. That is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek into what is being released in August. I honestly can't wait. I am so excited. So again, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I love you guys so incredibly much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.